There you go.
Gavin Jennifer.
But they can't hold it.
Under. Oh, under it. Isn't that crazy?
Hi. Get on your bottom. Hey, two bottoms penalty, Cameron and Hunter. Cameron and Hunter both came off their rears. I got it videotaped.
It's the replay. I'm throwing it in. I'm challenging it.
Maybe you put bigger people in goal. I don't know.
Hey, what's the score?
2-1.
Who's winning?
Are they allowed to pick it up? Because she did pick it up. She didn't swat it, even though it was right next to her hand.
Right, that you're not supposed to. There was no advantage game.
So, what do you need?
Just didn't know if they deserved a penalty shot.
So, y'all want to restart the game and the first person to score, first team to score is the winners? No! We can. It's almost 8 o'clock. We need nachos. Or you must be 2. Here, the bug, let me see it. You ready? You ready?
You know how you did on others?
No throwing.
left in the game.
Okay. She threw it instead of shooting it, okay? Ready? It's still 2-1.
1 minute.
Okay, no throwing. Remember to hit it. Hit it out.
30 seconds. Oh wait, 30 seconds now. Oh wait.
Pick it up and spot it.
She's a goalie. She can hold it.
Pick it up and spot it. That's how you do it.
Ding, 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 ding.
3-1.
All right.
15.
Who's the winners?